Hey guys, Adrian here from Redwater Dodge, the home of the Rig Ready Ram, and now we buy a Ram and we have Rig Ready approves. Behind me here we have a blacked out 2023 Ram 1500 Sport that just came off the truck. This one is powered by a 5.7 liter Hemi engine, has the e-torque assist on top too, so you got great fuel economy, 8-speed transmission, black right out. It is a crew cab, as you can see it's got the blacked out wheels and the side steps, so let's go check this one out. Alright guys, so right up front of the truck, we can see here she's a blacked right out, so that one's got the blacked out headlights, got the bumper all painted to match. We have fog lights down below. We have a logging truck passing by, kind of loud, so if you hear that, I do apologize. 20-inch blacked out wheels. These trucks come with Bridgestone dealer all-terrain tires from factory. These tires are so great, they're nice and comfortable on the road. No road noise, super smooth, good on fuel too. You got blacked out side steps with this one. It is a crew cab, so it gives you the big back seat, which has a flat floor. We even flip this up. We have a full flat area there. We can put anything you like. These trucks are largest in class crew cab in the market today. So that beats Ford, Chev, GM, Toyota, whatever you have against it, it will beat it. Got the 5.5-foot box, all black badges, black exhaust tips. This one has the tow package with the 5-pin and 4-pin and a 7-pin wiring. Class 4 hitch down below as well. Sports tail lights, you got the black ring, black center, rear slider window, heated mirror caps. Inside we have the most luxury interior you can get these days. We got power folding mirrors, power windows, air tilt, cruise, power locks. We have the 12-inch display, Alpine sound system, heated seats. We got the new LCD display with cruise control, Alexa, Apple CarPlay, Android Audio. Whatever you need, it's got it. So guys, come on down, check out this truck. Take advantage of these trucks that they are here. You don't have to wait. You can come on today and drive away today. So give me a call, 780-942-3629. Take care. Bye for now.